The Stens Engine Maintenance Kit 785525 is designed to be a comprehensive solution for maintaining Briggs Stratton engines, making it an essential choice for lawn care enthusiasts. This maintenance kit includes high-quality components such as an air filter, pre-filter, oil filter, fuel filter, 2 spark plugs, motor oil, and hose clamps, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Stens is known for its commitment to providing reliable aftermarket replacement parts, which is evident in the durability and performance of this maintenance kit. The kit is compatible with various Intech engine models, including those with 15.5 to 17.5 horsepower, making it versatile for different equipment types. Manufactured in the United States, this product reflects a high standard of quality and craftsmanship that customers can trust. With a strong reputation for quick delivery and exceptional customer service, Stens ensures that your equipment will have minimal downtime with this maintenance kit.